How does Clickfunnels affiliate program work? That's what you want to know, and that's what this video is about. Thank you for watching. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and in this short video, it's going to be under 10 minutes. I am going to show you what Clickfunnels is, how their affiliate program works, and how you can become an affiliate and start making money with it. Make sure you stick until the end, because after I've shared my screen, showed you how it works, I'm going to come back on this big screen and share with you 3 ways in which you can start promoting Clickfunnels right away. Let's go.
So first things first, what is Clickfunnels? Clickfunnels is basically a tool that allows you to build what we call sale funnels, which are basically mini little websites or membership sites or landing pages or opt-in pages. It's a very, very useful tool to have if you have an online business. Right? Now, once you sign up to Clickfunnels, if you don't have Clickfunnels, by the way, I have a link below this video. You can click it and get a 14-day free trial. Once you sign up to Clickfunnels, this is what your back office looks like. And you automatically have the possibility to register as an affiliate, right? So look, this is, as you can see, this is my profile, my account, right? You can click here, affiliates. So I'm going to click here and show you what it looks like. So this is the affiliate program. If you sign up to, as I say, once you have Clickfunnels, you can automatically, apply to become an affiliate. However, Clickfunnels does have quite a strict policy about how their affiliates behave, right? So, you won't qualify straight away for a 40% commission. It starts with a 20% commission. And as you progress, the amount of commissions increase. But I actually really like this. They take their affiliate program very seriously and they give you great training. If you want to become an affiliate for Clickfunnels and you want to learn how to do it properly, you can sign up for their free affiliate bootcamp. If you click here, you land on this page, right? So it's 100 days that is going to teach you completely for free, right? How to be an affiliate for their products, how to promote them. It's incredibly valuable. Okay, so but however, you can be an affiliate before you've been through the 100 days, right? And start promoting the products, obviously. But the affiliate bootcamp is going to help you, make more commissions and make more sales and more commissions, right? Now, the interesting thing about Clickfunnels is there are really many products that you can promote, and they all have what we call a value ladder, right? So there's a first product that does not cost that much money, right? Or in the cases of his books, they are actually free. You just pay for the shipping. But once people have bought this low cost product, then they will be sticky cookie to you, which means that Clickfunnels will register that people bought that first product from you, and then if they buy more expensive products further down the line, you will also get a commission. I'm going to show you inside my dashboard. Let's go and have a look. So here you go. Here's my back office. And as you can see, there are many products, right, to promote. So I'm going to show you, for instance, an example of the Traffic Secrets book, for instance, which is a great book, by the way. So if you wanted to promote this, you click here, get your links. So as you can see here, you get quite a lot of resources that are going to help you in the promotion of the product, right? So here you get your link, obviously your affiliate link. And then this is the value ladder, right, that I was explaining to you. So first, if you promote the book, somebody buys, right, you're going to make $1, which is not much, right? But then you see there's an order bump, right? People click to order the book, right? But then they're offered the audio version of the book. If they buy that, you will earn $14.80, right? If they then sign up to the 2 days event, you will get $38.80. If they go on to buy the box set, you will earn more, and so on, right? So you're basically promoting a free book that's free plus shipping, right? But potentially you can earn up to $264, right? That is powerful. And it's the same, with there's many different books. Russell Brunson has written many different books that are very valuable, by the way. So really you get to promote something that's very valuable. I encourage you to read those books or listen to the audio versions of the book. They're absolutely wonderful. So you will get to learn a lot. You can then promote them and make money. So it's really a win-win, right? As you can see, as an affiliate, obviously you get posts and banners and stuff like that you are free to use. Now, you can also, of course, promote Clickfunnels, the 14-day free trial, right? What I do have to say about that is, well, first, it's great, right? Because you do get a recurring commission. However, it is only open to affiliates who have made a certain amount of sales in a month, I believe. Now, this changes fairly regularly, and there have been changes since I was approved for this. There have been changes, so I don't want to tell you exactly what the criteria are because I'm not 100% sure what they will be when you're watching this video, right? So this is not open to absolutely everybody. However, when you do qualify, you then can promote the 14-day free trial, right? And then that obviously, also gives you a lot of resources that you can use, right? And, when you get a few people to sign up for this, if they like the tool, they're very likely to keep their subscription, obviously, because we need it, right? I will show you, for instance, I have a page here. This is a product that I promote. It's my mentor's course. So, of course, if I want this page was made with Clickfunnels, I want this to be active all the time. So, of course, I keep my membership with Clickfunnels all the time, right? I'll show you, for instance, my mentor's course is hosted on Clickfunnels. It's a membership site, right? Another example of something that you can do with Clickfunnels. It's really great. But obviously, my mentor is always going to keep his Clickfunnels account active because, all the people who bought his course are going to need to be able to access his site. So, these kinds of commissions are really great because that if you are yourself using the tool and you find it really valuable and helpful, you then you promote it, that it's going to help people, and of course once people use it and enjoy it, they are very unlikely to stop, right? To stop using it. Okay. So I feel it's not easy to become an affiliate for this bit of Clickfunnels, right? But it's really valuable once you are approved.
So, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Now, I promised you 3 ways in which you can start promoting Clickfunnels, right? Because it's all very well to be an affiliate for a product, but you then have to promote it, get some clicks on your affiliate link, and get some sales and commissions. Now, my 3 ideas I want to share with you are, number 1, you can do what I do. You can make YouTube videos. You can make reviews, tutorials on how to use Clickfunnels. Then you put your link underneath the video and invite people to click on it, sign up to Clickfunnels, try the software. If they like it, they will get a subscription and you will get recurring commissions. Number 2, you can use Facebook. Particularly, I'm thinking if you have a Facebook group and you use Clickfunnels yourself, you can show people how you use this tool, how it helps you in your business, and you can then share your link and make commissions. And you don't even need a Facebook group. If, for instance, you enjoyed Russell Brunson's books, you can talk about it on your Facebook profile and ask people to send you a private message if they want a link to get the book themselves, right? That is an idea. If you want full tutorials on how to use Facebook to grow your business, check out my video up there. And last, you can use TikTok. Same as with YouTube, just make helpful little videos on TikTok and then invite people to go and click on your link. If you want to know more about how to use TikTok to grow your business, same thing. I have a video that will help you. Check it out, it's just there. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please make sure you post them in the comments below. And if you don't have Clickfunnels yet, there is a link below this video. You can click on it, get your 14-day free trial, register as an affiliate, see if you like it, and if you do like it, start promoting it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in another one. Bye for now.